ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता चैप्टर 18 टेक्स्ट 78। यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम। Translation: Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. That is my opinion, said Sanjaya. Hare Krishna. Conclusion: the perfection of renunciation. Sri Krishna Arpanam.